All right, come with me as we go on the roof. This is pretty normal stuff. Got to get up on the roof. And this building is kind of tall, so we're going to do it. We're going to do it in two sections. We're going to come up this way, hop up here, and then we're going to hop up again. Try to get this done. This is the reality of working in Los Angeles. A lot of these older buildings do not have roof access, so we gotta hop up any way we can. And on this one, it's a little bit sketchy. So that's our exhaust over there. And we're gonna have to make do here. So this is the stuff I deal with Bryan Exhaust Service. Got to do what you got to do to get up on the roof. You would never have known that that wall was there.